Hi and welcome to the new Mediset training. Today we want to introduce you to the new Mediset that you will be using in prompting the medicines with our participant. As you can see, this is the old Mediset, and today this is the new Mediset. So we want you to become familiar with it. So first off, when you go in to do your med prompt for the participant, locate the Mediset as you would at any other time. Bring it to the area that you typically do the med prompting at, and what you're going to do with this Mediset is you're just going to simply turn it over. We want you to become familiar with the new Mediset, and key things that you need to remember is that these new Medisets are going to start with Saturday and run down to Friday. You're also going to notice that there are 4 columns. The first column is going to say morning, noon, evening in the third, and bedtime in the last column. So if you're there to do the prompt of meds for someone on a Thursday morning, you would come on down the morning column and come to the area that's indicated morning Thursday. You would simply go and take your finger and puncture through the area. You might need your fingernail, maybe a spoon, but you want to puncture open the area. And what you want to do is sort of make sure that you move the paper around so that you have a nice opening. You then want to find a container, whatever the participant had used before, whether it be a plate, a cup, a bowl, whatever that may be, but you want to make sure that you dump those meds into something versus on the table, because you know that the meds will probably run away off the table. So you want to dump those meds onto the plate or into the bowl. And when you have completed that, then just simply place that bowl, plate, or cup in front of the participant and continue the prompting of meds as you've always done. Some things that we want to point out to you is that if the Mediset is starting, if you're the first person to go in and prompt meds from a new Mediset, you want to look for the start day sticker that's going to be placed on that new Mediset, because remember, the Medisets are going to be running from Saturday to Friday. Our participants receive their new Medsets throughout different days of the week, so you want to look, if you're the first one in there, to look for that start day sticker that will be placed on there. The other thing that you may notice is that there may be a slot that has tape across it with initials. Don't be concerned, it's just an indication that the nurse needed to add a med into that slot. If that's the slot that you need to prompt from, please just either remove that tape or puncture through it, and then you would dump those meds out onto the plate, into the bowl, however you had done it in the prompting with that participant prior. Any questions that you have about the Mediset, please reach out to the nurse or the nurse on call and get those questions answered. If the participant, once those medicines are dumped and placed in front of them, they no longer want to take them, you know you need to reach out to the nurse or the nurse on call to receive instruction on what to do with those meds. Again, thank you and take care.